Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sneaky Little Punk. Today I'm going to show y'all how to cook rice using old school way, not with the rice cooker. Between 15 minutes? No, less than 15 minutes. And now let's just take one cup. Let's take 1 cup of rice. I'm going to take 1 cup of rice and we pour it in the pot. Okay. Now you want to wash. How you want to wash? You make sure it's clean, not cloudy, because they say you want to eat cloud rice. Don't want, right? So you gotta eat. You want to wash it 4 times. So yeah. So now let's go to the sink. Yeah, guys. Remember when it's like not enough clear, you can always wash it all over again. Oh yeah, and always guys, if you see brown stuff, if you see like brown rice, like this kind of rice but it's brown, you want to take it out. I'm searching for it. Okay, I think there's no more. No, let's wash it. Wash it again.
A few moments later.
So guys, over here we have 1 cup, and now we're gonna put it in this plastic bowl. Plastic. Okay, this is like already 1 cup. So now take your index finger, or you call it mommy finger, and then take your thumb. Your daddy finger or your thumb, you put it like that. You make sure your mommy finger is all the way down, and then your thumb right here. Take it out. Rice. And now I have to measure it again. Take it out slowly. This is where your water gotta be. You see my thumb? That's where. But if you put it on the fire, you don't want to use your hand. Use a chopstick. Well, so the mommy finger is longer than the daddy finger, of course. So, like that. Put it like that, tie it with a rubber band, and that's all. Like that. Put the daddy finger near to the rice. Pull it down. Pull it down. Yeah, like that. And then, take out it. And like that. This is where your rice gotta be. You see that chopstick there? Okay, well, great. Handy Mandy, can you help me to pour the hot water until the small chopstick? This is scary. You have to put it on top of the rice. A little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, is it done? I think it's done. Yeah, I think it's done. I can't really see because it's. Let me check again. Do it. I touch the rice. Oh, it's not enough. Hold on. No. Okay, I think it's done. Is it? Did it touch the water? Okay, it did. And to put the slow fire. I'm gonna on the slow fire. And don't make it downwards. You always need to make it upwards. Make it upward slow fire. Okay. Okay, that's the slow fire. Now we want to get the lid and just wait. Y'all need to open it for. Y'all need to like open the thing. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna wait for the timer. So now let's start. Okay, we're waiting for 15 minutes. And while we wait, let's talk. Always remember to subscribe, and if you cook it, you should tell me whether it's yummy if you eat it yourself, because I ask people to learn it, cook it, try it. You should learn it yourself, but always don't use your finger to put it inside. If not, you will get burned, like literally burned. And always remember, guys, if you want to know when the rice is finished, you want to see where there's bubbles, like that, bubbles, like this. I have the bubbly eyes, boom, boom. Guys, 8 more minutes till it's done. And there are 4 more minutes left. Now let's protect the lid. I think we should open it. Like that. Yeah. And now, so guys, as you know, I wear this thing to don't get burned. Let's take out the lid. Woohoo! We get this one. Hold here. Wait, the plate. And let's see whether down there got burned, guys. I think there's a little brown. Wait, there's no brown. Okay, never mind. Well, oh, it's soft. Okay, I'll take this off. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh, wait. How do I wear this again? I don't need to wear it. It's not hot. Oh, this can be for babies. Even babies can eat it because it's not hard. I like it. It's very hot, but it's yummy. You have to learn it, cook it, try it, and don't forget to put slow fire. You use this thing to, put the water, the hot water, so you won't get burned. Everyone can cook this rice, and hope you enjoyed this video. See y'all next time. Goodbye.